those are pretty cool.
Yeah, Blake's been a good friend. He's been part of Pacific Calls in the group for a long time. He's also a dog trainer and also a really good friend. And he's like, hey, I got this idea about we could float down the river. I've got these couple sections that we can hunt. So I've never boated into a turkey. I usually don't see me on a boat.
Shot at one or two toms at once. They've been separate. Okay. So probably one. Okay. As long as you or I can tell Riley when to shoot. Yeah.
I don't know anything about turkey hunting. I've never done it before until this season. So this is my first season even thinking about trying it out. I really didn't have a lot of expectations. I didn't really know. I mean, I've heard people say sort of conflicting things, there's a lot of action, little action, and I just wanted to get back outside.
Have you seen a turkey fly before? Is it weird? Kind of. Not really. Yeah. It's not a really big bird. Just seems weird to me. I mean, they're definitely not flying from roost to roost, that's for sure. But they'll fly out of this, and they'll fly down, or they'll fly up, or when you kick them out, they'll fly up to the tree, but it's not like they're gonna fly across the field. It just got so hot too, just chilling in the trees.
Yeah, it's just how it goes.
It sure does. It sure does. It sure does go that way sometimes.
Y'all new. See you in a couple months. I hate saying that.
But yeah, what really gets me fired up? Flyways.
Flyways.
I've watched people miss with bows, with their shotguns, with everything. And, it's just the adrenaline rush.
I feel like it just was too fast. My big regret is I should have just held off.
There was no taking your time on that one. It was, reaction. And being a first timer, turkey hunting like that, and to know what bird to shoot, that's a lot to have to, cycle through your head right away being a first time turkey hunter.
Had I maybe had more turkey hunting experience, I would have known what to do, but I mean, happens fast and you learn from it and you just get back out there and keep hunting.
I was actually down in Mexico, and I get a text from Riley. He's like, I hope you're having a good time, / we need to go turkey hunt one more time. I got redemption. It was, I mean, Riley had the fire under his ass to go do this, and I was with him, man. I think we were all like on the same team of let's get Raya's bird, and I still had a couple birds to get after as well. And I think it was just one of those, you know, there is time left, let's get after it and let's go do it. What's up? Dealer. Have you met Riley?
What's up, man?
I don't know if we have met.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
And so what they do is they work the hillside to about that green bush, and then they'll drop straight down.
I think that's what he was doing.
Yeah.
This morning, so we'll give her hell. 345 here?
Sure.
Oh, I saw him floating. I saw one fly down. Yeah, that's a wet. Okay. Oh my God. He sees the decoy. Come on. I feel like they might have made a turn just now. Did it sound like there's a bird literally in the dip right here below us?
Holy smokes, dude. They ran up that hill.
That's insane.
Oh my gosh, my heart
was
was
epic.
pumping.
Dude, my heart was pumping. Yes.
So glad it worked out, boys.
Everyone get your composure.
Holy smokes, that was a weight, man. I was like, when they
I
kept
thought those
going.
were all the hands coming up.
Too. Because I was like, where'd the toms go?
Yeah.
And then, so, because I was like, are those all the hands? You go, yeah. And then they go, and you go, any of those are toms. I was like,
And then they all freaking gobbled right there. I mean,
That was epic.
You know, I always consider myself the luckiest man in hunting because I get to go on all these hunting trips, you know, that are just so amazing. And today was just a truly amazing day.
Let's go.
Oh man, we did it.
That It was rough the first trip, you know. We didn't see a lot of birds. We had the opportunity. It was a hard opportunity, and we struck out. But then to watch something like that, the full meal, like that was the deal right there. And I'll never forget something like that. And I've been turkey hunting for a while.